Well, this place is a zoom-in interface. Long press to enlarge the interface. Short press. Short press. Short press alone. It is to change the small interface. The middle one is the settings button. Long press it to jump to the settings. This is CarPlay. CarPlay is currently not recommended for everyone. Still in beta. Then this setting. In this, he can switch to English, or Chinese and Japanese, various languages. Many kinds. Many kinds. Then go down. There is a factory setting. Factory settings. Enter the password and he will have it. Is there a left and right degree? What other kilometers are there? Various can be set. I enter A0169 password first. Let me show you. O16. Okay, go in. There are a lot of mailboxes with various settings, including the way to open the door. Then include this balance and this water temperature can be displayed. Including this balance must be set. This is because it is tilted when installed. Can be in here. You can set it here when the car is parked correctly. Then we go back. Then factory settings and a password. You can set this kilometer. For example, how many kilometers is your original car? But I don't know this password. Tell everyone above.